if you can hear me with all this wind, but I'm on the back side of the building now. That's a type of, it's like an olive bush, Russian olive bush. I've seen those down the Outer Banks in North Carolina. A lot of ferns and different ones back in there. The nice thing about here is they're not in the hurricane zone here. They're right below it because you're right off the tip of South America. So when them hurricanes come across and kick my butt in Florida and the United States and areas around us in the islands, it's what do you call it? It's south of it. It's south of the hurricane belt. So it's actually a desert island. They have a desalinization plant, and that allows them all the water. I'll be sending you some videos when we come back through. When we go out to the desert, we'll probably get a jeep, do some different stuff like we did last time. Sending some videos of what it's really like, but it's really definitely a desert. And they've just built this place up into incredible amounts. I know they talking to the driver on the way down here, the taxi we had to do things with. He told us that they really suffered through COVID just like anybody else did in that travel industry and tourism. So pretty cool. You see, they got just tons of beautiful stuff here. But they do have, I've noticed, sprinkler systems everywhere. You can see no water here. Rainfall at this place is like nil. You never have to worry about being in a rainstorm. So it's kind of big leaves. I can see what that is. There's got to be some type of fruit that normally drops off the bank. Incredible. Don't have no kids with us. But here's the grills. We want to use the grill and cook some steaks here while we're here. I think I'm going to do that. Since we're here for 2 weeks, I'm going to, this time instead of a week, we got a full kitchen in the place that we're staying in. So it's really nice to have that ability, and we're coming out to the beach now. I'm not going to go all the way out to the beach right now, but you can see just incredible for desalinization, the way they pump water and make this place like it was. To turn from a desert to what it is now. It's just amazing how they did it. So nice to be here. We're like, if you look at that building, if I remember right, we're one, maybe two or three from the end on up on like that 10th floor or something like that. I don't exactly remember right now, but you look right down here and you see how high I'll send you some pictures. You look right at it. You see the Caribbean and the ocean and all that. You're right here on the water. So, as you can see, there's some beautiful bushes and trees here that are just amazing as far as how they. I know they have sprinklers and water and desalinization, but I'm saying, you know, you have a lot of these places you go to on the islands. They're beautiful places to stay in. They're fun and all that, but their landscaping and stuff isn't as nice as these beach clubs here. They're just mainly the ones that are normally out there. You go to most places, you know, you go to certain islands, you know, like trying to think, Tortola and stuff, right where the place is. Beautiful landscape and all that. Certain places you go to, and then you go to Nassau, which been there, I think 5-10 times, but they don't do as much of that. It's more of a city-based kind of thing, and I'm sure that's a little bit here. But up on the resort area, they really take to putting things together really nice, making sure everybody's happy and just everywhere you're around just looks so nice. But what I'll do tomorrow, guys, is I'll give you something from the beach about how the beach looks and the water out there and all that stuff while I'm out there. Maybe we'll take a walk along the beach in Aruba. I'm with my wonderful wife, and we'll just see how things go. All right, guys. You have a good rest of the night, and we'll talk to you soon.